Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to mod a game, but this time we're going to be doing it as like making a modded APK of a Gorilla Tag copy. So this isn't a PC VR, but this is like how to make a modded APK of it. And if I sound weird, it's because I'm sick. I probably have a cold, but I'm gonna sound congested because like I have a runny nose and stuff. I just bloated a minute ago, but yeah, I'm gonna sound weird, but you can still understand me. So first thing you want to do is go to your browser and just go on YouTube, search up Gorilla Tag copy or Gorilla Tag copies or best Gorilla Tag copies, and find a game. And once you found your target, go to the itch.io page of it, download the APK of the game you want to mod, and while it's downloading, what you want to do is I'm gonna put a link in the description. You want to download an APK toolkit. Let me see if this works. So I'll put this link in the description. What you want to do, click releases, go to here, and click assets. Oh wait, this isn't it. This isn't it. Hold on. Okay, I got the one that I downloaded. If you think it's a virus, run it in virus total. I don't post viruses. What you want to do is click download this. Let me just close these other tabs. And it's not even downloading. Okay, well what you want to do is download it, and you have to extract it. You can't just double click it and open the folder. You have to extract it. And now once you've done that, go to your files, click APK toolkit. You should have this folder. Click it, and you'll see APK toolkit in here. Decompiled is where all the games decompiled is where all the games that you've decompiled, it'll be there. But yeah, go to APK toolkit. It's right here for me. If you want, you can pin it to the taskbar. And you'll also need UB. I'll put the link in description. Let me get the link real quick. Alright, I got the link right here. I'll put it in the description. What you want to do is click Ubay Windows, download it, run it in virus total if you want to make sure it's legit. Pretty sure this is it. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so once you've downloaded it, do the same thing, extract it, and then you need to find it, and this should pop up. So you can minimize this for now. Go back to APK toolkit. Make sure the APK you installed has downloaded. Go to APK toolkit, click file, open file, and grab the APK, click OK. This can take a second. I'm just gonna pause it real quick. And now once it's done, it'll say done right here. Now you need to click decompile, and this can take a minute too, so I'll pause the video again. Now your PC should make a sound and it should say finished. If it gives you errors, then you need to install Java. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, you need to have Java installed, and I'll put the link in the description. I'm not going to teach you how to install it because I don't want to mess up my stuff, but just download it. It's easy, it's free. You just need it for some kind of like modding stuff, but like, and it's just a regular thing that all PCs have, or all, a lot of people use it. But this should say decompiled. Now what you want to do is go to this here, refresh it, click decompiled. I have a lot of games here because I've modded a lot of games before, but you should only have one folder. It should be this, your game. Make sure it says your game name. Now what you want to do, now that you're in here, is you want to click assets, bin, data. Now make sure there's a Unity 3D file. If there's no Unity 3D file, most of the time it means that the game is APK method, and APK method games are harder to mod. But yeah, if it's here, then open Ubay again, drag it in here, and click memory. And now this should open. Click this arrow, click level 0, click info. Now, as you can see, let me just show you how to do some little stuff real quick. So let's say, okay, let's pretend that this is a mod vent in the game. When you try to like go into the mod vent, this object has colliders and it blocks you from going in there. So it's basically like a mod vent blocker. So let's say just click edit data, or yeah, and go down here, and you should see the name. See where it says is active. Set this to false. So and then you click OK. But I'm not actually gonna do this because like this is a mute button. This is just an example. So by doing, if it says true, then that means that the object in the game is enabled. If you wanted to disable it, remove true and type in false. You cannot have any like weird numbers or nothing. It just has to be false. And then now if you go to the game, or when you finish the modern APK, this won't be here, but I'm gonna leave this as true because this is something that isn't really need to be deleted. So now what you want to do, I just taught you how to disable and enable things, but if you want to remove anti-cheats, then go to tools, click scripts, then just scroll through scripts until you find anti-cheats. I'll try to put some anti-cheat names on screen, but some is like KSHR anti. That's like the one that a lot of people use all the time. But if you see anything suspicious, then so if you don't see anything suspicious, the game most likely does not have an anti-cheat. Yeah, this game has no anti-cheat, but if you want to make sure, click search by name, click anti-cheat, or search up anti-cheat. Some dumb people will name it that, but you can also do this. Okay, so if you don't see nothing, then the game has no anti-cheats. There's probably going to be anti-cheats for you, so don't skip this part, but you can scroll in here. If you find an anti-cheat, let's say this script is an anti-cheat, when it has this little green logo, that means that this is a script. So let's say this is called anti-cheat, and if you click edit data, it's not going to let you look at it. It's going to say asset failed to whatever. So let's say this is an anti-cheat, click remove, click yes, but I'm going to click no because that's not an anti-cheat. But now once you've done that, you want to click save, click OK, click the X, go in here, just click save again real quick. As you can see, this should be here, but I don't know what that is. Okay, as you can see, this should be at the bottom, and it should look like it's updated. See, my time is 9:35. This is 9:35 too. That means that it updated and it's saved. So, if you want to add like a mod menu to the game, then what you want to do is make sure you're in this folder called data. Click on Unity default resources. Click Notepad. Let it load. So as you can see, so with the lib/mod menu that you're using, whenever you download a lib, whoever created it, they should say what Unity version that it's compatible with. So let's say that it's compatible with, let's say they said it's compatible with 2021.3.xx or whatever. Then if this matches it, these last numbers don't matter. But if it says 2021.3 and it matches the lib you're using, then that's good. So as you can see, I have a lib that works with that. Just know this lib isn't mine, but I know that it is trusted and a lot of people use it. So now what you want to do is, I'll put the link to the description in the lib that I'm going to be using. So the lib that I'm using is the holdable. It's not mine, I did not make it. I'll put the link. I'll make a MediaFire link to download it, but basically what you want to do is copy this. Click copy. Click this arrow to go back. Click go back a little bit too. Go back again. So go to like the main folder. Click lib arm64v8a. Now in here, click Control V, or just paste it in here. And what you want to do is rename this, remove this, or that was only for me. So you're not done yet. Basically, what you want to do is, let me just get the thingy real quick. Okay, you don't need to join their Discord server for this because most of you guys don't have Discord. But basically, I'll copy this and put it in the description. But basically, in description there would be something like that looks like this. Copy it, or just like it'll look like this in description. Copy the whole thing. And now what you want to do is go back to here. Go to Smalley, Com, Unity 3D, Player. Now there's gonna be a bunch of stuff in here. Just scroll down, and you need to find Unity.3D Player activity. If you don't see it, it's most likely here, but you can search it up. Unity. There's gonna be a lot of stuff in here, but Unity Player at. Okay, if it's not here, then I honestly don't know what to do. It should be here. Okay, well basically, I do not know why it's not here. It should be here. That's weird. It's not here for me. Let me pause when I find it. Okay, there was no Unity player activity in there, so I had to manually make one. So you should see Unity player activity. If you don't see it, then just search it up here. But you can either right click it and click open with. If you don't have Microsoft Visual Studio, then click edit and notepad. But I have Microsoft Visual Studio, so basically they should be here. What you want to do is scroll, and you should see so like this is the top. You want to scroll down a tiny bit, and you'll see dot method protected on create. It should say locus 2. If it says like locus 1 or locus 0, then that's not the right one. You have to find locus 2. So click on locus 2 real quick, but let me just delete this real quick because this isn't right. Okay, but click locus 2 right here, and you want to click enter on your keyboard 2 times, as you can see. So now what you want to do is the thing I was talking about earlier. You want to paste it in here. If you want, you can just delete some of these random spaces. But okay, but yeah, this should all be good. So now what you're gonna do, click File, Save All, and this isn't the best tutorial, but it is a working tutorial that should be working. Now what you want to do is you should be done. You could just double check, make sure low holdable is in here. All this should be good. And if you're, I'll make another tutorial soon for a metadata method, but if you're already know how to mod and you're trying to get the metadata of a game on your PC, then when you decompile it, click manage, click metadata, and there's the metadata, just in case you want to do something with the metadata. But now what you want to do, go back to your APK toolkit, and what you want to do is you can click compile. I'm going to, or make sure your antivirus is off, or this will give you, or it will just take forever to work. It'll take forever to compile if your antivirus is on, but this could take a few minutes, so I'll pause real quick. Okay, so it finished. It should say finished. If it gives you an error, make sure you have Java installed. Now what you want to do is click compiled up here, and all your modded APK should be here. These are all games that I've modded. These two are games that I've made, but APK method. What you want to do is, if you want, you can rename this to like PJ Taggers modded, or just put it to your game. Like for example, Gorilla Taggers modded. So yeah, now what you're gonna do is you are basically done. But if you want to know how to share the APK and like make it public, go to GoFile, search up GoFile.io. You don't have to make an account. You should automatically have a guest account. Click Show All Files, or just find your modded APK that you made. It's good if you renamed it so you know that what it is. So click on it, click Open, and this is gonna take a little bit to load, but once it's done, I'll pause till it's done. Okay, this is taking a while, so I'm just gonna end the video here. But you should already know how you're gonna transfer or how you're gonna share it. But once this is done, you should see like a link. Click it, and it should have that modded APK in it. Just share it, and yeah, that's how you do it. So yeah.